Okay, anyway, guys, it's your boy Regan Jackson, and it's all about It's Never Too Late. But firstly, like, subscribe. Open so I'm click a bell. Send a very big notification. Internet share many 9 minutes here. No first hour in the house. But the person make us have a green tea. The person will want us to be introduced. Yeah, big man.
When you
say we do another one. Yeah, I'm learning from you.
Mediani Kojowood. Me artist manager.
Okay.
And I'm a director as well.
Oh.
The track TV series, Central Music Video, commercials and all that. So, I know anime.
Okay. Now recently, and as you see, artists do not saying I don't know who.
Because you see artists are all built coming from
Oh wow.
And there's a new girl, half Nigerian, half Ghana, and also a fellow princess.
Okay.
Ghana from Timbuktu.
Okay. But meaning so say one situ so Juma. I mean say be because the first time we meet you. You meet you show me as the feeling the performance the said na many anchi kwa say wa carry bia. Yeah, oh man kesi man.
Yeah, it's true. Not such a artist.
Okay.
I think I just realized it will not help me, so I decided to quit.
Wow. Wow. Okay, sorry, but ubeti am enchichi mukaka. Ubeti am like
me am me time be as I give you me be me headache bia no. Me ntonko so.
Na.
Found this camera to so me when I say me nyam peace of mind, I will choose my peace of mind over money. Oh, that artist I've spent a lot on him.
Yeah, I know.
I spent a lot in this market. Any billions, any 1 billion I send me it's more than that.
A whole lot.
Yeah,
a whole lot.
That's what I say. So me can say, you say, now you be before it become a headache to me. And she said, Banisana, now I say, you who is who? One master and one the small boy. So I think 2 masters can never write a ship.
Yeah.
To be realized that the teacher also see himself as a master. And I'm also a master. And I'm one and be unfunny way. So that is what really happened.
Wow. Really, it's here for you can say Situ releasing the first release was
Sister.
And then Serbia
and the second track.
Oh wow.
And then you'll be sister, yes, sister.
Okay. And recently you releasing December, right?
Yeah.
Who caused some? Yeah, and also
last year, somewhere around last year.
And recently you more release your feature family and
I know you.
Reason any you move?
No, I know a medal. When they do the song, they got it to me and they wanted me to speak my mind about it. So that song belongs to medal.
Yeah,
but it's for medal. It's not for Situ. It's featuring Situ and Christian family.
But sorry, but maybe we say send me any masifa kwa you can't share any because we say I said painful as we say oba ekoti fibu na so yi try paper and beside I say you know this kind you can and I see the nipa there and from so will be there is no except father who will be to amunya problem there.
They all can sure. But I think what I've realized in life is maybe I be and I am more trained. It is a baby. That's a koyi na ye can. I was saying me think fast. I don't know the me the be na ye can. Now, sister, because me, Miss Sandy, papa be anywhere. oh you be become myself. I did the body. And it's and yet there's a majority talking about it. I was saying sitting back, now my correction is time to be free. And up to date, when I said 70 minutes, he has never even bothered to render any apology. It took him some time. It was, I think, recently, not long ago, and I received a text message from him. Say, Madam, I say, but I don't come with an apology. But no, on the Nipa ne Yabama, Yana, you're doing a kind conquer, you mean a chassis. You should think about my money that I have invested.
Yes, sure.
I invested a lot. Oh, yeah, my interest, my back it off. Don't ever think, say, me na me one could dementi me oh kokwa. No, even though I'm not complaining, don't ever think that way.
Yes, sure.
Because if you become
sure.
and nobody promise the fact that say men can want someone just say you are free to go. I mean to very be an tax you be just be a money. But only partner was say no in any pool. Me na come invest more than 1 billion. Say we nya say me and come me talk 70,000 citrus to car training. Some must take 4 times and I couldn't take the car again. You know, it's all because of his promotion. And this whole thing happened. I never really see, but we tried to say, making a town for some at what time. We got to a point, me, my old friend, catching me said, oh, yes, just artist here, I could find a person of money. The fear from person pay a star. Until any time you have a tribunal, there should be a problem. And I never side with my mother. Catch a man, say, Bibi Besibiana was saying, yeah, to say, baby, at time for some I was still fighting. Now, artists are one born on car. Ye. Now, all of a sudden, I be and your mom send me one year of fair. Now, say, one man attitude, a little attitude. That's you are moody towards him. Now, oh, one or a farmer, my funny papa, phobia, but say. You know, make us not mobile no money to me and can as a same beatrice say, artist in a say, as or sha or ya catchy. This life, you need to be saying a ya catchy, and then you confida or china yama. It is a old, that or children will say, talk a quan. Yamin could be mouth. How long it took Famia for him to become a star? Famia me try music video, maybe channel. My name is Capri.
We are sure. It's my time.
I help and now I say I didn't learn pijama. Sanity. Man, she said, Famia came to me, Seven Moano. We catch a Famia said, this was Johnny King. Because me really sit your word to my meeting police, you know. Ask Famia, he will tell you about this. But on in the morning, the free start somewhere, you know. And I'm not left here, no. And to one, man, she said, Famia, freestyle be a saying or left hand, you know. No, who destiny in this family, until when they told me, say, oh no, ya catchino, a year me ya. At least I will invest to any. Now, first I come in video and say, whoa, invest to artists when you have a catcher, say, oh, ya catch. I seem like saying you've never done anything. Not just a nice so that is when I said something in your joke. And but the father catcher me say, I'm only a Becassa, na the Bessibiano, say Papa will say Bonio, say, they will come and tell me up to date, sending a web.
This management. Miaka saka menium even near medium like any amount of person. But maybe the American my big brother situation and say, send it Tibia like Omana Kuma Raffle. Nasa even said, a human crack or Subi man. Poka Nakuma or no Nakuma, there is Nakuma.
Ono so nyako. Me na me wako.
When me like Shana Miss just said like you even say no you maka e juma no koso kra bi ma omra na kasa nkoso na tia say nyele enye juma na akoma bia nyele enkofo because artist management there to be honest any skill being like never be compa enye you easy.
Na sika na me ni chama DJs ne na se for bloggers nko sika moje konkonsa mu na mitimi no ko ye meeting gaga kwa ne bebe no maboka be dio cause they are near big deal of fiesta ni adi na no metuaka ni na no all because of I want to get him there. But we are saying no things here. So boy obi na say officer dey o ye no onye hwe I think you should let the person go. Akwa no oko fama ono abehu the difference between the now wo ye this no officer okwa obinya no because Sicho my be studio man I open studio for Sicho because of his music career. That should tell you how much I love the job that I was doing with him.
Only sign contract
the contract was never signed because I felt that I felt like this is what is going to happen at the long run. I have that kind of vision. So the BBC oh, I dear me, who ahead. Baby, my lawyer here contract with me, but me catch a situation, me sign this here. Me person me promoting, ma who get it there. Now my sign no, ni I am public na. I know so be here. Sana me here no. Inti. My signing is with the people, and I'm signing people. Me signing the crowd say, "Or fuck up with me." I'm a type. I'm I'm very soft-minded. No matter what, me first to continue court. Say one day me so I fuck up along into no. Say I here. I bind say my meeting. I can never do that. That is why I'm bother crowd to even sign the contract with him.
You but I situation for now. Okay, so Cecilia, the person viewers me na say and I motivate my interview and I said they are going through a lot in life. Like konye sebi obi so pejai like ebenyel but see wa shut down I say any ukrabi enti like have you been through never sir like how was it at first o start abrabo net saying never been on cool
man I think say they okay no still like in there that's cool
okay
but I years in the first day.
Okay.
I was once a shoemaker. Now, me a shoemaker. I think at the age of 7 years or something. Yeah. I'm a shoemaker. Now I'm a primary school in Korea and in Amapa. In Semeko area. I was a shoemaker and aside the shoemaker, now me will be a pay. Me son, now me pay. Hard working, me. I don't know what I was looking for money for. But Yana Obi, yes, I didn't know anything. I wasn't saying my own phone and share the same inquiry. No, a job and I me pay. I love to do shoemaker. And along the line, we sabe who say Omotunton, PK ni ado years here, na yemi fair. So I also me my granny a place come and make a tutor toffee at the age of 10 years. Now me to toffee and do what he has. So me be ton pure tap penny the penny. Yeah, they oh my business baby. But sometimes you know send your bravo ever start and the end of your life. And I was say we need to be able to switch it to every system that come across. So what the air conditioning near travel light I was just to me that more. Because you're starting na air conditioning. You get it? But we will have own team cry. I will go hotel the other. Madam Fisa. It wasn't easy for me coming up and all that. And never be brain CC back and forth. We go cheap. Baba when you mean ye sa kakra na nipade e ban and manti e bedu at the age of 17. And I think it's that time they me computer hardware after my school ceremony and then only my father a doctor at our state.
Okay.
And there was a problem between my father and my mom. And she almost 290 hours. We are called separate ways. Into we are called but me pen and them neutral, many penny. So me kako me papa na me mommy I worried. Officer me anymore. Until I decided to be with my mom.
Okay.
Me papa be farmer come kakra no. I didn't go. It was also food dry. Because I made me feel me pa. Tebema me man no dey some share na bi. Tebema situation be here tight. Into my school sem kra no. Me papa and me school because I be farmer come America say I want to be with my mom. It's in the go for India me go me bra. Ti enja me private. My school sem no. Uncle send an uncle. Wow. Timia na menina mu edidi pa kakra na along the line no na the man babon kwasa be tough ni say send there na o ma me wo coaching pia bonte bana ababa ni anu so je na be nya bi along the line no yefie mansion si atonsu fabi ayete one Easter Sunday be a feeling na she do bear. But me boxer shorts penny pay.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe I'm more poor, but me a type I believe in God. Because I need
to say me turn no bit. No feel share no. And never be now Lucy like school when you maybe
say over ka here demand be be say fa. O SS certificate na certificate be awo. That time we say NIT. So no certificate be am be here adwuma na dey networking seminar no. Ni na shi. Saturday ni be man you say you can go and pick it up from the internet. And this so when you lost it for good. Unless maybe you go back to the school now to your pioneer and this is going to do him. So things become very tough. And Madam Fubia not a finishing, you know. Or I can't say I'm black.
Okay. And said I'm not Kumasi.
Kumasi.
Oh wow.
No see I'm black. Timmy Bakra. A background. One day, Madam Fernando, Motti, ni papa fee na papa na lucky doors ni bebre na wo dey one room on any nuanum terrain or na Miss Marco can be.
That's my fault.
One day no Anna the girlfriend bounce and so another thing as a woman privacy. One of catch him say papa down for be fabric chamber. And I do 10 it's coming copy me cousins ni bi. Na my cousins were crab and me ni mo bia. Mate and I'm Nimobia. To be called that hotel.
Okay.
Now hotel near G8 cities by then.
Oh wow.
Now La Paz Kata. To me flew me nante from La Paz to Seco. Then I could depa kakra sebe me nya bibi kakra me be to your hotel. It did mana na my boy girl being so pain. Oh, Kumasia Tosu. Your friend a chan, no ko UK. If you want to be no friend, and I'm say chan, it's a situation I be deal. And then they sending me say £50.
Oh wow.
And then they me down the home. And then because I come talk for now. No my tongue. Me try no my tongue. Ah, sati. Hello na. Me yeah. Eba ayasa na still no. Me shesura. No me busara de say. Da be na mabra bo besesa. Enti one day and I'm preaching me already so but my own pastor did. Now pastor now talking about idea yin to train. Now can say a full ponko bi niwra yin to train. Ama na ni sunyin fa so ntie na ko chichiri baby say edua bi bebu abona amana owo said dey onye obi asem self-full ponko na Jesus Christ kai no say enko fa nimra na self-full ponko no ju baby ma ye de niema sese o ama no full ponko na nante so nti say nyame kai self-full ponko ne de enye dachi bi obekai ni nti say me te sa preach no makoma ye do say something will happen. In no time, and I'm say, Papa be shishemi. Na say Papa di fi Canada ba shishemi sa Cape Coast. Me ka ba be si baby am din wood ni free. Okay. Ka be si I shishemi say time na ye me no. There my problem ba. Me papa ne me mama intem no. Me papa suspected say me mama close to another person, some guy be. Eti kata me na me mama nyi say na me papa go school no. Mama fa nyi say ne hye no, eya sa the school be no. Enti company say no enko hye sa, papa na o ye na danfo no. Tis papa no so no pe me mama. But na me mama so eni me papa wo nti enye yi. But your two ntemasem for this man to claim say ne ba me hawasem de jimi ma me ti me be ti man ne de ewo ni tim say me ma me nyi sen no ayo no okay ti on de o ba bi wo Ghana Canadian man a wo hwehwe no wow ana man no e be hwehwe bi e wo anu ko hia mo fafo bi no o trace ya no nyame number no friend me mama so unyame mama number no I'm so je me number wo me mama wo masata na me maso ye shiwon kana de me di kra na jimi ko di pa jamuna me mama friend me say man bia na oni ni ye free back then if we Canada ba hwe na man no se ne ba ne me okay but all the me papa no but o ka ne kra che me. It's money person you can say it's money be friend me. It's money friend me no bisa me say kojo since to bisa me o papa ni kojo ono so be kojo kakraba o papa ni kakraba kojo kakraba na ka say ana man bisa me say me din be na medical school because as I was on the street so I was too smart to say Prince Penna Kojo Prince, and that's the name near the family. I'm Prince. And Kojo Prince. And I say, so my surname, the Adams, no, you never give me any surname. That's only Kojo Prince. So on the phone, and a man catch me say, the banner me, na me papa no. It's a female queen. me ma me na ama wenti me ma tu medin but see that only me kasa sisi ano medin at the Prince Kojo Wood.
Okay.
Me sell no na Kojo Wood ni ya ono ne papa awaka baby din na obi atomi.
Wow.
I want my man starting to be taking responsibilities in my life. And a man, me say oh father, our babu my boy. Nti e ma me we be chichire. Nti man no yi me free. Sa street no ni ade e be bo me hoka e de me ko Canada.
Wow.
Na bi na si o Canada ene e koye blood test. And it shows say enye me papa.
Wow.
Nti e hono na o say me na me nya comfortable. And I quickly me free in chain. Man krano. Me dey here on here ho cause now my bed to man. But blood in your pen, unti me fo bi papa nya papa. No matter what. Nti e ho here na me free on am cause South Africa. Na me come so. Me was South Africa na man free me. Look at me say South Africa is too dangerous to sell me. Still no there. They are still no there. Mammy find yourself, they ban me. Then, but I could see good if you more prove your point. Continue and the channel. My team and nothing, my friend and Danny me do because I know my papa. But somebody back in life, mono, and what any dear, they will be and then maybe Uncle Fofi say. My successful, it was the foundation along the line of the baby, and a man is in Yinasono. I don't think I act now, man, Dean Wood in the so a damn company, so we didn't DNA PPR because I really appreciate what he did for me. And you said, oh, now, if you say what catcher, I just say, wouldn't name. Ode de tebia no usu a sugo rade so baby a omo abefra ba no you have no idea man na you know say ade ni ma we na yehu no movie mu na me feel say the yehu movie mu na movie no be just storyline it can never happen in my life but through God and you may see and na there you friend say me said that boy empire say I want to see my father, which is last 2 years.
Okay.
And my father came to look for me.
Wow.
Papa no pull me to come and render apology.
Wow.
Yes. All because of what? It's God. And you, the Makacho Obia Oti and they said, sometimes I dream and a fixed problem. And yet, where you will lay your problem on, they will lay your problem on the solo. So let me secure my and only Christ. So we go lay or be before so I don't know choir now ban choir. But if it is about Christ, you will definitely succeed in life. You know, crazy. Maybe I have seen a lot. I've seen a lot. Obi to me, comfort me, friend me. And then I won't worry, maybe give my time. As I buy a car to call me, I will say, and I worry. Which is total nonsense. Yeah, but somebody say, Papa no only di me no. The right one never I would be mammy.
Sanity.
Not my enemy just a buff kubra. So to be piano and to was any time. Opera what they are ubeti. Because you also want to say, you know, where 20 years back, when you should say ubeti down good to you will be auntie. But I need to say, your sister you be say, fella to president car, a church in Bola. In necessary no scam, but no coy energy. Don't go table. Sana, Obi for so beba. Since I say, I'll tell Kwame despite. Always Capania de. But I say, I won't do being so. Of course, Lamborghini, and will be there any discipline with the field. What is Kwame Bediako? And then, despite what's Kwame Bediako. And then Kojo Wood, or Chama Eric, and Akwesi Jackson. You got it. And life and I leading on. And yesterday, when you must say, I said, will be 3 bands. No, I mean, age mate, and I said, Mr. Mitchie Banks. Until I was able to try. Then you do so quite now. And do ye try. There was a woman and he said, the Okobo Chrono far iPhone 4 and ye jelly. And then you use iPhone 11. It said, no, that's not that prisoner. Open say what think was your go in your time and go you to so life is not about rushing.
Firstly, the mission said the mission first, and they said, and found one say and found they say they could be restaurant. Maybe I will be a barbecue to send me brandy. No need that should be but nipa bi kra onim about like until in Canada. We are saying nipa na barbecue, which was the Canadian one, and a true one no utimi nya kwan full play. But we say now full play that. It's one full commerce to attack. No. First time
Now, I mean, quite maybe a team body pass. Everything be a new. We were waiting room, and I'm going to be true prayers because getting who says one of the immigration for girls and all true prayers, not true number count. Me do and I'm a friend. Me reading the prayers near and I say me come around. So or motivating me. Oh, then you amazing. Oh, I can't do a crime where you near to change life.
To have learned like the shame of the and a minimum system now so much TV. Now near a year woman, Monfa, because I bought any Russian. Kakakakra. A bit prinya, a bit of peramunia because I am rare. Sanity, never think say as I need a man, baby. And Kakakakra. On some breakfast. Anyway, me do be asked, me do be she be asked. Mon subscribe now, Mumma comments, I was see. And also, Obia, when it show you more, I say, your boss was so, a bit interview, Ubit me. Actual comments and I say, what you mean, I become. And then they are Jimmy. Anyway, Madame Brassy. I mean, she also. Oh, boy, oh, that's a that's it. It's in the sermon. Mr. May a photo of Kieran and the Mamma Bra. Want to say when issues can cry about 20 artists. But me bon pa say, me bon pa say, I don't be behind because say you are only depend asem. Na say me wan catch you cry say o your writer ya kro bi du ni mu no. E betimi aha me. Eno ani kama na o kan ti no. Me dey me say na me say because you are see the people bi am so. Ti me pa cho pa wonyina sebi say empo say the opponent no pona sebe omu ni mistake kura po a rakuju finding we say na on function and you say be a nipa na feel big but sometimes rakuju
crazy wa kamati
me fa chopa
mate
because sebe e to dey akola here
mama we say akoma wo artist na chi e wo dey be
na rakuju me say some first time che chawan. What do you go? Makasimo, Credias, you. I go in sugar, drop a get tea and be shut slippers. Oh, yes, okay. What tell me, you know, I say, oh, as a move. And I'm doing 2 years a day, I can't be to me. all in papa be a correct so near the man no do
Yes, okay.
so chairman like if he been through a lot to me the messana mesio tete for we do be ase na me show be o shi bia mo subscribe what person you interview be answer na watch your ase and that's what we do last words and our business so like with me I'm be able to say you be bia
see ana manya ma dey say me sign male artist unless female. So the just never signed the poor. When I was at my brother, yes, you have a no answer. I can't catch it or your program. He said, Ahobrasiya is the key to success, no matter who you are. Obra Wasia, Yamiba Mouse. Na ma bibi ma wo nsem na me ma wo betiso sata no kana so bra ho asemo enti dia boa me nne amadu say no metimi aka say fana ya ho ba say ni giving enti also five boa me da say
and also rap your business is been a while be percent go for big say they get goods bia na
yes see ano ye berane digital channel or production also. And I started that in a track series, Fake Mechanic. And I Baba talk show be so a friend of life errors. I started crying. And he officer war betting me act here. Betting me about only no to now star and now you're bad yeah. Because this is because you discuss this here.